I wish you a very Merry Christmas to all my family, all my kids, Gail and Terry and Laura and Dan and Randall and all my grandchildren. I'm not going to name all the grandchildren. And I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year, full of joy and happiness and good things, and that you can be very happy to be here and to participate in the family traditions that we're going to do. I had two youngest boys were just a year apart, and so they played together all the time. And they were the youngest, so they were the babies, and it was Christmas time, and so we had not much money. My husband's check didn't come in from his work, so we were kind of broke and didn't know what to do. And anyway, we did manage to get some toys. And at the same time, we were on the farm and burning wood in the heater and the stove, cook stove too. And so my husband brought a load of this chopped wood, and it was more like from where they were building, and there were chunks of different boards and all that stuff. And so we gave the kids their present, and yeah, okay, but they saw the wood, and they played the whole day with the wood. Instead of we got them cowboy outfits and something, you know. But we thought that was funny because he tried so hard to get something special.